Amherst schools provide a strong return on investment for taxpayers. We keep taxes low and add high-quality programs without adding costs. To continue our progress, we must continue to look for ways to operate more efficiently as a district.
Our elementary schools are old, they drain limited dollars, and they hinder education. Our elementary schools have failing heating, cooling, and plumbing systems. Our electrical systems can barely handle the technology we have now, let alone what the future will bring. And our classrooms are too small for student collaboration, which they'll need to practice to compete in a global economy.
Worse, it costs almost as much to repair our elementaries as it would to replace them, and we spend hundreds of thousands each year on Band-Aid repairs that won't solve our problems.
Going from 5 buildings to 4 would save us up to $500,000 annually, and a new building would have updated safety and security features that are critical for the challenges we face today.
It is time to invest in our buildings and improve the learning environment for our kids. So we ask the community what to do.
You suggested we should build 1 new elementary school for kids in preschool through 3rd grade.
And that we should upgrade the heating and cooling systems at Nord and Steele.
The Ohio School Facilities Commission agrees. If we replace our schools, the state will pay for about 50% of the total project cost, and we can pay for our share without raising taxes.
To do the project, Amherst would need to pass a no new tax bond issue, likely on the November ballot. This keeps the tax rate the same by effectively extending our current bond rate for an additional 27 years.
A new elementary and upgraded buildings with no tax increase? A deal like this doesn't come around very often.
If you have any questions about how this plan fits our community's long-term strategy, please call or email Superintendent Sayers at the board office.
Created using Powtoon.